I'm Brian, and this is Alex, and we are from Crane Composites. We are RV fiberglass experts, and we're here representing our Phylon brand.
We're here to walk you through how to properly wax your RV's exterior sidewalls.
Protecting your RV from weather and wear is key to keeping it looking new. After your RV has been washed, you could take it a step further to maintain its shine by waxing.
Whether you're coming back from a dusty campground or heading to a tailgate, this video is your guide on how to properly wax your unit. So let's dive in.
Waxing protects the surface of your gel coat and will help maintain the shine. To get started, you'll need the following supplies: basic automotive carnauba wax, an electric buffer with variable speed, a foam buffing pad, size for your buffer, which will work the wax into the fiberglass exterior, microfiber towels.
Before you start, you'll want to make sure you're in a place where you can access all areas of the RV. You'll want to have a ladder available to reach the roof and the top of your sidewalls. Make sure to review all of your cleaning supplies before using them. We are only covering fiberglass specific waxing instructions. You'll want to consult your manual for other tips and tricks for cleaning other exterior parts, such as rubber roofs, awnings, and vents. Before you begin, you'll want to inspect the exterior of your RV for any scratches or damage. If you see any, these must be repaired prior to starting. Your RV needs to be clean and dry before you apply wax. Our video on how to wash your RV will give a step-by-step look at how to properly clean your sidewalls. For the wax to have its full effect, it is ideal to keep your RV out of direct sunlight. Avoiding this sunlight will keep the wax from drying too fast, which diminishes its effect. As we get into waxing the unit, we will be working in 2 foot by 2 foot sections at a time. You can now apply wax directly on the sidewall in a small area of your RV. While a buffer is recommended, you can also buff in the wax by hand using a circular motion. For purposes of this video, we will detail the steps utilizing a buffer. Set your buffer to a low speed and buff in a circular motion to get the wax onto the surface. When using the electric buffer, you never want to tilt the pad so that the edge hits the surface. Make sure to take extreme care around trim and decals to avoid damage. Always keep light pressure to ensure consistent contact with the wall and keep the buffer flat to the surface of the coach. Next, use a clean microfiber towel to wipe the surface to remove any excess residue. We recommend working in 2 foot by 2 foot sections. Once you finish one section, keep moving along the entire RV for a beautifully waxed exterior.
It is suggested that you wax your RV's exterior at least once a year or as needed due to exposure. Following these easy steps will help your RV look like new for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in checking out more of our care and maintenance videos, please visit our website, exteriorrvcare.com.